This could be a massive long-term play. This thing is so cheap, unless they completely went under, dismantled. I just think it's going to have to go up here. All-time high, $36. All-time low, $1.90 roughly. RSI 1 day, we've already got divergence forming. 200 moving average, we're losing our slope. It's getting flat, starting to tilt up. I would imagine not too far off in the distance, we could test this 382, 15 bucks. Price is only $3. It's $12. One contract. If it gets up here, that's a $1,300 gain. You can get leaps right now on this for $20.23 for $3 with a $1 strike. Be deep in the money, almost no theta. Play this short term too. A lot of potential here, my opinion. Zooming in, looks to me like we're forming a base. I don't think that we make new lows. This is holding pretty strong. Zooming more in, we made a 5-wave pattern here. Not to say we couldn't go slightly higher. However, let me just get rid of this moving average real quick. We've got a gap right here at 240. I have an alert set. I started with $1 call for January 2023 just because it's so cheap. I will add more out of the money. They will also be very cheap. Maybe a $6 strike. But I do think that this is likely to fill this gap before it goes back up. 5-wave patterns, usually ABC down. Again, this might be a wave 4 here. This might be wave. Let me plot this for you here. This final wave might not be over. This could be our 1, 2, 3. I could see a 4, maybe a 5. Let's just plot. Somewhere, maybe a 618, and that dips into 1. I don't think we get much lower than this if that's our 4. If that's the case, our 5 would likely be right around $4. In that case, we would just move this up. Still, I think what this is likely to do is close our gap. Could go as low as 235, could fill at 240. It is a tiny penny gap on the 1-day candles, but I think this is a huge opportunity if the company does not go completely under. But even as we've seen, companies that do file bankruptcies, Hertz, for example, a while back, filed bankruptcy, the stock went up. So I think there's potential either way. They could get bought. A lot can happen here, but from what I'm seeing on the 1 day, even if we only got up to, our 154 at $7 almost, 236 is 10. Usually our first major rejection can be the 236 or the 326. It's $15. In the future, if this were to go to the 618, which is also likely, you're looking at $23. This is an incredibly cheap opportunity. I'm definitely going to take some leaps on it. Falling wedge forever. Looks like we found a floor, like I said. Volume is just off the chain today. Come on, chart. There you go. Volume, massive volume. We've got 180 million shares. The average is 90. Double the volume of the average volume. Take a look at it. Consider it. Thanks, guys.